You might be ready for summer, but is your vehicle? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a really easy summer kit to keep in your car at all times, so that way while you're out and about, you'll never be without a swimsuit. So stay tuned. It's Lindsay with Organize to Save, and today we are talking vehicle organizing, and not just any old vehicle organizing, but getting you ready for summer, because as we know, those summer months can be crazy. You're running from party to party or playground, splash pad, you name it. So today I'm going to walk you through creating a little simple summer kit that's going to make all that running around super easy. If you're new, welcome. On my channel, I'm here to help get you organized on a Dollar Tree budget. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's get this van cleaned out. Here is the inside. It's not terrible, but my bin system has kind of just become the dumping ground with some traveling that we had recently. So I need to just clear this all out. So I already have the back of the van pretty well cleared out, but it needs a good vacuuming. So it's a really good thing that I'm cleaning out the van, because I was going through this little caddy which sits in our center console, and I totally found a bill that needs paid that I forgot that I shoved in there on our way out of town the other week. So yeah, gonna go put this inside in the bills folder to be paid. So I'm going through these two bins right now, and I want to play a little game with you guys. So let me know down in the comments below, how many toys do you think are going to be in these bins? Go ahead. Leave your guesses down below. Let's go ahead and start counting. And I am going to count coloring stuff as toys, so just FYI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 toys. Why? And for some reason we have the baby blankets, so I guess technically that would be 2 more. What in the world? I'm gonna go ahead and pare this down to like a few coloring things and maybe 1 baby doll. So the rest of it's going inside. So here's just another quick peek into the car after I've cleared everything out. I do keep my daughter and I's raincoats in here, so that way we can have them if we need them in a pinch. And then I kept a couple little coloring things, a book, and a few little toys, but definitely not the 19 that were in here earlier. But the van feels so much better, and I'm super excited for summer to be here and for me to have peace of mind, because I am ready to go with my summer kit. So once everything is cleared out and decluttered, it's time to start making your summer kit. So I'm going to show you 2 different bags. So this first one I'm going to show you is one that I got actually at Costco, but I have it linked down below as well. And I love this one because it has so many different pockets. It can be folded down really easily. But the one I'm actually going to be using is another one that I had that I got from Target last year. It folds down really easily. It's nice and open, so it's easy just to quickly grab what you're looking for. And I was trying to do this entire kit on a $0 budget using stuff that I already had. So let me show you what all I have inside the kit. The first thing that you're going to want to put into your bag is a towel and a picnic blanket, because I don't know about you, but that always comes in handy. And then just some paper towels for those unexpected spills. And then these wet bags. I love to have wet bags available for, accidents or swimsuits or anything like that. These one in particular I have linked in the description box below. It came in a 2-pack. But then also have a change of clothes and a swimsuit, because those unexpected things happen where you may need a change of clothes, or maybe you get invited to the splash pad and need your swimsuit. Now, every mama needs a bag of tricks. What I like to keep in mind is just some essentials to have while we're out and about. Have extra hair accessories, baby powder, which works well at the beach to just get all the sand off little toes, bug spray, sunscreen, which this one I really like because it actually turns blue when you know that you need to use it, just sanitizer, chapstick, And then I like to keep an extra hairbrush and just some wipes as well. It's always important to have a couple extra snacks on hand too. These ones are some of our favorites, Layer bars, but you can put any granola bars or anything like that. Just make sure to check them occasionally so that you don't have expired food hanging around. And then I'm also throwing in a Norwex Enviro cloth. This cloth is awesome because all you need to do is add water to it and you can clean any surface or wash off any hands or faces. And then I'm also throwing in a couple little play activities. I've got some sidewalk chalk and some bubbles, so that way in case if we are stuck somewhere, we've got an easy activity. And then these little bracelets are like those bug repellent bracelets as well. This hook I have in my car all year long, but it comes really handy to carry extra bags. You could hook on water bottles, use it to carry in groceries, hook onto your stroller. It's just an awesome hook to have in the car at all times, but especially during the summer when you're hauling around all of those summer accessories. So let me know down in the comments below, what are some of your essentials to have on hand during the summer? If you need some extra tips on how to get your vehicle organized, make sure you check out the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.